In this video, I'm going to teach you very simple steps on how to fix your virus and threat protection is been managed or has been managed by your organization in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. So firstly, you need to navigate to the keyboard and press Windows key and R key together. And in that way, you will be able to bring up a small window called Run. Here, please type for regedit and click on OK to continue. Now you will be able to receive a notification where your user account control is asking you to say yes. All you need to do is you need to proceed to yes so that you can give permission on running the registry editor. Here you need to navigate to the left pane where you can see a list of option. Please proceed with HK underscore local underscore machine, double tap to it and navigate to the software, double tapped, and here you need to navigate with the policies. So here at the policies, you need to double tap it again to expand it, and this time you need to proceed with Microsoft, double tapped and locate with Windows Defender. So you need to select the Windows Defender, and from here, you need to proceed to the center. Okay, proceed to the center screen, and you need to locate for disable anti-spyware. Again, locate for disable anti-spyware, and you need to delete it. Okay? So make a right click and go with delete the disable anti-spyware. In my case, I don't have any, plus but delete the disable anti-spyware value. Again, delete the disable anti-spyware because the reason why you face an error is that because of that. Okay? So delete that, and once you have deleted it, close all of such. Okay? And from here, close the window and restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, check if your problem has been fixed. So navigate at the taskbar, click on this forward arrow, go with the shield icon, click on it. And from here, please proceed with the virus and threat protection and check if the error still persists. I'm sure it's not this time on. So that's it. Close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.